Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a new herb that I added to my hair regimen recently. It is called marshmallow, mallow or mava. This herb, it is so good. It is full with a lot of good property. It is good for fine hair, damaged hair. It can also enhance your hair elasticity. You can use it to treat irritation of throat. It is good for dry cough, constipation, and so on and so forth. Guys, this herb, it is amazing. Without wasting more of your time, let's go to the kitchen. This is what I'm gonna use to prepare the oil. You can see this is coconut oil. We'll be adding some castor oil and almond oil and 2 of my essential oil. These are all the things I will be needing. My measuring cup, and here is the famous marga. So as you can see, I have a boiled water in my pot, and I also have another little pot on top. If you have been watching my videos, you guys know I like infusing my oils this way, so I don't destroy the good property of the oil, because it's better to infuse your oil in hot water like this rather than putting it on top of stove, because when it's too hot, it's not good. Okay, so as you can see, I added 1.5 cups. So the next one will be my castor oil. I'm gonna add few of castor oil. Then I will go ahead to add my almond oil. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome, but please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and welcome. So as you can see, I will go ahead to add a few drops of my essential oil. Then now we go ahead to add the herb. You can use this as a pre-poo treatment. You can also use it as a sealant, I think, if you want. It's not, depends on you. Okay, and you can also use it to mix your deep conditioner. I've already tried it. It was really good, and it left my hair very soft. Okay, so I will go ahead to stir it a little bit. I think I left this oil for 2 hours to infuse. Then afterward, you will see what I did with it. Okay, because I wasn't going to, like, after infusing the oil and then I would throw out the herb, because mallow is a bit pricey, so I wasn't ready to waste everything that is left after I have strained out the oil. Okay, so this is how it looked like. It looked really nice. So let's go to add this little magic. You guys know I normally like adding my little bit magic or wisdom, if you want to call it this way. So I went ahead, I pour it into my blender. So I will go ahead to blend it. You will see how it turns out. If you don't want to blend yours, it is totally fine. Okay, but I wasn't ready to waste that herb. Okay, because this herb is a bit expensive, as I said before. So we will blend. And now let's let's go to strain it out. So as you can see, I pour it into my strainer and I strain everything out. Did you see what is left? That is what is left, and all the purple color has gone with the oil after I blend it. If you want the one that is left on the strainer, just infuse it in another oil, which I did. I did throw it away because I wanted to take the advantage of everything and use it. Okay, this is what comes out. You can also infuse this thing that you are seeing, this strainer. You can infuse that, or if you want, just bin that. Okay, so here is my little bowl. I was going to strain it again with napkin, but at the end I stopped straining the herb out of the oil because I thought it was just a wasting of the herb. Did you see how it looked like? It is so purple. That is all the herb, the purple flower that comes out of the oil after I blend it. And so I stopped straining this. I went ahead to pour it into my bottle. You will see in a while, but if you want, you can strain it. So I just left mine. This is how it looked like. Did you see? Everything was in the bottom of the oil, so it's not really necessary to strain it. Look at how it looks like. It is so nice and beautiful. So I'm gonna shake it so you guys can see. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.